Today, the Smart Kitchen Sensor Hub is explored, a compact unit that clips to your fridge and pantry shelves. It tracks weight, temperature, and humidity, then uses AI to predict expiry dates and suggest meals. Specifications include a central hub, sensor pods, Wi-Fi 6, cloud syncing, and batteryless NFC tags for tagging items. Experts praise proactive reminders and app integration, while some worry about privacy and long-term reliability. User stories note reduced waste and convenience, though a few report setup frictions during inventory.